go over the entire project. So to start off with, this is the main page, so the introductory page. So there's the title over here, which is clickable, but it doesn't take you anywhere because it takes you to the home page. And over here you have navigation. Go to register, login on the home page. So one of my smart objectives is that you should be able to search for recommendation lists, and you can use this search bar here to search recommendation lists. And for example, you can type in ROM, and it fetches data from the API I made, which connects to my backend MongoDB database. And so, for example, you can click on one, and it takes you to a list. There's nothing on this list, but you can go back. So it'd be funny. There's one called Funny Anime, and there's one. And you can click on these, and it takes you to an information page, and that's also part of my smart objectives. It should let users find information on anime without having to go to an external source. Also, you have one of my other smart objectives. It should allow you to authenticate. So authentication is so that users can create. If I go to home, so you can see all the lists by typing them in plus crossing them out. That's also one of my smart objectives, I think. So, and you can see these. And to make these, you need an account, so that we can tell who made them. So to make an account, you can go to register, and so I don't know. Okay, this is a feature, not bug, but it probably isn't appropriate to show you that. But anyway, you can create this already exists, but create a new one like this, for example, and maybe password, and then you can click submit, and if it creates it, you should be redirected to the login page. And now you can type in the email you just created and submit, and there you go. And this tells you how long before your session expires. So now you can, now everything else still works the same, but you're logged in. So if you go to navigation, you should see that it's changed to have a new option. I mean, the login registration, the authentication pages have gone, and now you have a create a rec list option. Now you can create a recommendation list, and you can type in your title here. So let's call this let's cute girls. Right, so maybe a list of animes with cute girls here. And now it's been created, so you can search it up. And you can see it was made by you. That's your email. And now you can add an anime. So you can add anime by typing in as mail ID, which you can get an mail ID by going to my anime list, which is the API I'm using to get data about anime. And so number 1's an mail ID, and maybe number 5 is 2. So let's click add. There we go. And you can see information on it. Just check it's the right one. There should be back button, but there's F11 back and back. And now we have a view mode, which lets you click on the anime and see details about it. We can also delete. So suppose we didn't want this in our list anymore, you can click on it, and it's gone, right? And so my API does CRUD, which I implemented myself. It wasn't like an auto-generated thing. And so click add. Okay, so now we've added it, and we can go back to home, and we can go to cute anime again. Give me cute girls, and there we go. We still see it. Now, suppose we want. Is this preserved? Can we like refresh the page? Yes, we can. So we're 11 out of that and refresh the page. You'll see that the session disappears because we're no longer logged in. But if you go search, it's still there. You can click on it, and there you go. You can still see it. Okay. So that's basically all the features of my application. And so in the next few videos, we're just going to talk about how it works. And so yeah.